If you are building a SaaS product, you already know your website is not just there to look good. It's actually your number one sales rep. It works 24/7. It never takes a break, and it's often the first thing investors, users, and potential customers notice your product. But here's the problem. Most SaaS founders either spend too much on a custom site or end up with something that does not convert. What if I told you could build a high converting SaaS website, the kind of people pay $10,000 for without hiring a full development team? Hey, I am Altaf. I am a Webflow expert and a Webflow premium partner. I have worked with 50 plus SaaS companies like UserFlow, GetBeamer, Burkhead, Cooler.ai, and RapidFlow, helping them launch faster and boost conversion by up to 35% just by improving their site design and user experience. In this video, I will walk you through the exact step-by-step process to build a pro-level SaaS website using a Webflow template. Fast, smooth, and built to convert. Let's get started. First, choose and purchase a premium SaaS template. Head over to the Webflow template marketplace and choose the premium SaaS templates. You will want something clean, conversion focused, and fast loading. For this demo, I am choosing MetricFlow Technology website template. It's got modern layouts, built-in CMS, and it's super customizable. Click the template, preview it. You can check all the pages, and let's finalize by this theme. Next, Webflow Login. If you have a Webflow account, you can enter your email address and password login. If not, you can sign up with this link. I have already a Webflow account, so I click login button and continue with Google. Next, site name. Go to Webflow dashboard, click add to new website, use purchase to template, give your project name something like SaaS site and click save. Next, click open in Webflow. Next, understand the template structure. Over here, the pages panel, you will find all the static pages like home, pricing, features, contact. In the navigator, you can see how the sections are built, usually using containers, flex grid layouts, and reusable components. And if the template includes CMS like blog or case studies, you will find them here under the CMS collection tab. Next, customize the branding, logo, fonts, colors. You can change the brand logo. Double click this section and click the settings button. You can replace your logo. Using this upload icon, you can change your brand logo. Click variables, click defaults. This is where you will update the global style. You can change the overall site colors here. In BG color, light gray, orange, you can replace with your branding color. And these colors are text colors, primary color, secondary text color, white text color, black color, transparent. These are the usually set as a global swatches, so updating them once reflects everywhere. You can change your website fonts here. After change, it automatically save. Next, update your homepage content using click the home page, select the settings button. You can change this content. Let's move on the customizing the main pages. On the home page, start with your headline, make it benefit driven. Click over the text, double click, you can edit this content easily. Update the subtext and the call to action button. In top right corner, click the settings icon. You can replace that image easily. You can delete this extra sections, select the item and click delete. It's automatically deleted. That's all. You can edit the text and image easily. Next, set up the site settings and SEO basics. If your template includes a CMS like blogs or case studies, this is where it gets powerful. Go to the CMS collection, click on the blog post and you will see the sample entries. Just click the new post to create your own. Update the title, slug, image and body content. Next, SEO. Select the home page and click page settings, set the site name and add meta title and description. These are the show up in the Google search results and social previews, so keep them clear and keyword rich. You can edit the open graph title and open graph description also here. You can change the same format to all page settings, so only that all pages will be indexed correctly. Next, close button, click the publish button. You can connect your domain in add custom domain here. If you want to connect your own domain, you need to purchase the site plan. After purchase the site plan, you can connect your domain. Now I will publish the staging domain. So select this staging domain, click the publish button up to top and your site goes live instantly. You can preview on your webflow.io domain or your custom domain once it's connected. And that's it, your SaaS website is ready. So that's how you can build high converting $10,000 SaaS website using Webflow and a solid template. But if you are looking, most SaaS founders I have worked with, you are probably already wearing thin hats, managing products, sales, fundraising, and honestly, the last thing you want to get stuck in Figma or peak Webflow layouts at 1 a.m. That's why working with an expert saves times and keeps things moving. No long hiring, no hands-on folding, just results. Whether you need help customizing your template, polishing up the design, or building out fully custom site from scratch, I'm here to help. I have worked with over 50 plus SaaS teams from early stage startups to funded companies, helping them go live faster, increase signups, and finally feel confident in their website. If that sounds like what you need, book a free strategy call using the link below. We will take you 30 minutes to map out your goals and see if I can help to bring your site to life. And hey, if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and drop a comment. If you want me to cover Webflow animations, CMS setups, or advanced SaaS layouts in the next one, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.